Hello there, ladies and gents. In this video, I'm going to clean the back of the Zchwinn neon, because it's all full of spider webs and dirt and stuff, as you can see. Very, 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 very dirty. It also has the transformer on the back that's not installed to anything, you see? It's just hanging. This thing is metal. So I'm going to take out the transformer first. So I can clean the rest. Transformer to the side. Now I have to take off this thing also, but it has this thing, so I have to figure out how to take this out. I'm almost sure that it's this way. Yeah, I got it. Now I'll take out the other piece of neon, which is good. So this one's good. I already tested. You can see how it lights up. I've been asked a lot of times about this, and the question that I'm asked always is, why doesn't it light up the whole thing? Well, this little thing doesn't put out that much power to light up everything. It's just enough power because it's a tester, Amazon. And it's called neon tube tester. It costs about $20, and it puts out just enough so you can test the unit. Now the other thing is that when the unit is connected to the whole sign, it may not work as good. You have to disconnect the wires of the unit that you want to test. That way, it'll light up like this. You know, a good piece. If it's connected, then it'll barely light up, and sometimes you make the mistake of thinking that it's not good. So make sure when you're testing a neon unit, disconnect it. When you're testing it with this, right? Now, this support here, it's completely loose. So I'm going to tighten it, and it doesn't tighten. So now what? We've got pieces of glass here. What I'm going to do is, this is metal, and what I'm going to do is go and just hose it to take off all the everything, and then and then dry it. So I shall be back. Don't go away. Okay, so I hose it. I sprayed water over it. Now I'm drying it a little bit more. What if I dried it with this? Will it dry? So I'll just let it dry a little bit more, and I'll be back. Now everything is ready. I cleaned up the metal box. So now the first thing I have to install is this thing. Now this one. Done. Now I put the word Zchwinn. Now the transformer. I believe I'm done. Let me test it. There it is, Zchwinn bicycles. Photo. Now this other one. This is also from the same client. These two signs of his are his. On this one, the problem is the supports on the star. They're broken. But I think the video is a little bit too long already, so I have to cut it here and then continue on the next video. So thank you for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.